Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So let's see how to prove your right to rent in England. So before you can rent in England, you will have to prove your right to rent. That's why I thought to do this video to explain you step by step how to prove your right to rent to your landlord or to the letting agent. So all the information regarding right to rent is available on the UK government website, and I'll be referring to the website and show you all the steps that you have to follow in order to prove your right to rent in England. So you can easily generate a share code to prove your right to rent, and you can provide that share code to your landlord or to the letting agent. Without taking much time, let's move on to the website and see what is there, and let's follow the steps. So this page says prove your right to rent in England, and it first has an overview section which explains everything about right to rent in England. It says before you can rent in England, you need to prove your right to rent to your landlord. So how you prove your right to rent depends on your nationality and your immigration status. So again, it says that you do not need to prove your right to rent in Wales, Scotland or Northern Ireland. So you have to prove your right to rent only if you are in England. Then if you are a British or Irish citizen, you can prove your right to rent in England by showing one of these documents which are listed here, which includes British passport, Irish passport or passport card, a certificate of registration or naturalization as a British citizen. However, if you are not a British or Irish citizen, then you can prove your right to rent in England with a share code, which you can get a share code online, which I'm going to focus mostly through this video. And also you can prove your right to rent by using your original immigration documents as well. So as I told you, now I'm going to show you how to get a share code online. This takes only few minutes. You can click on this link, get a share code online, and then you will be taken onto that page which says get a share code online. So your landlord can use the share code to check if you can rent in England, and also landlord can check how long for you can rent. So say for an example, if your visa expires in 6 months time, once your share code is generated, the landlord will be able to see that your visa expires in 6 months time and you are eligible to rent only for another 6 months time. So that's what the landlord can check once you provide the share code to the landlord. So who can get a share code? You can use this service to get a share code if you have a biometrics residence permit, a biometrics resident card or a UK visas and immigration account. So I guess you all have the UK VI account by now, because it was always encouraged to have your UK VI account, and we have done videos regarding that as well. So I guess you all have the UK VI account. If you have the UK VI account, it is easier to generate the share code to prove your right to rent. So let's see how you can get the share code. So there's the start now icon. Before you start, we'll see what you will need. You will need your date of birth and details of one of the following, which are BRP, BRC or your passport or national identity card. So if you have one of these, you can click on start now icon. Then it will ask for the questions. How do you want to access this service? There are two options. You can choose any one out of these two. If you have your UK VI account, you can go for the first option, which is using my UK visas and immigration account. Then the second option is using my expired BRP. So you can go for any of these options. So I'll choose the first one, using my UK VI account, and then continue. Then you will have to sign into your UK VI account. Therefore, it asks what identity document do you use to sign into your UK VI account. So you have to select the document you use to sign in. For me, it is the passport. So I select passport and click on continue. Then you have to type the passport number in the given box and click on continue. Then it will ask for your date of birth, which you have to type here and click on continue. Then it will ask how do you want to receive a security code. So you can choose either option, your phone or email. So I'll choose the first option and click on continue. Then you will get the security code to your phone and you have to type it in this box and click on continue. Then you will see the page which says your right to rent. You will see your full name and it shows you how long your right to rent exists for. You can check the right to rent time period on this page. When you scroll down, it says prove your right to rent and get a share code. So you can click on this green icon which says get a share code. Once you click on that, you will be taken to the next page which gives you the share code. So you can share this share code with your landlord or letting agent so that they can use this share code to check your right to rent in England. So that's how you can generate a share code to prove your right to rent in England, and you can provide it to your landlord or letting agent so that they can use it to check your right to rent. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching guys. See you soon with a new video.